Now let's talk about another cool function which is called len function. So if I have a string, like let's say I have a string, and I want to know how many characters are there in this. So this is easy, right? I can count 1 2 3 4 5. However, the same thing can be just pass into len function and it will give you the length of the function. Now for this small example it seems not that important. However, consider a scenario where you have a very long string, length string, right, and you want to know the character length. That is that time it comes very handy. So it's if you want to see the signature of that function, you can see. So it returns the number of items in a container. Okay, so it takes an object and it will return the length of the string. That's all for this video. See you in another video.